Hi, I'm Marty Johnson from 3D Systems. I'd like to welcome you to a vlog series that I'll be presenting to you on additive manufacturing materials. I'm really excited about this vlog series because additive manufacturing materials have really advanced well beyond what we were 10, 15 years ago. One of the things as we get into the different materials is we'll look at the different properties materials. We'll look at some of the different rubbers and elastomers. We'll look at high temps. We'll look at tough and durable materials and what makes these materials that way. As we get into these materials, we'll look at the different technologies. What technologies make some of your larger parts and what are the capabilities of the materials through that technology and even some of the processes that go into that. And we'll use the data sheet to really push that forward because data is what we're going to need as engineers to really make good decisions. So what makes a good data sheet and what kind of information can we use in these data sheets to see if this is a prototyping material or is it a production material or does it work for both? And so we're really going to look into the data sheets and see what that does for the different additive manufacturing materials. So we're really excited to hear what your questions are and see what kind of information you would like to learn more about on additive manufacturing materials. So be sure to send any questions you have to the link below, and I look forward to talking to you soon.